Today's Vlogmas day 21. It's almost over. You know what we have to do today? I know.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That's nice.
No, Merry Christmas.
Oh, yeah. That's, you know what? Even though I'm deep into my 30s, when I write out the word Christmas, I have to say Christmas in my head while I write it. Same as like Wednesday. You too or no? You know what we have to do today? We have to pack up the candles and get them sent out. Okay? Like we have to do that when we get home, okay? Because it's Monday. So we have to get stuff sent out.
By the way, everybody that I don't know, Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. Okay. But yeah, we have to do that when we get home, okay? Pack up the candles so you can pick what smells go to who. Okay?
Okay, I want a snickerdoodle one to go to Bill.
There's no more snickerdoodle. Those were our testers and we burned them all. It made that house smell good though. I know I have a little wax left. I need to order some more of that oil and make one for us because that shit was delicious smelling. Okay.
Hot potato, hot potato.
Hot potato. Okay. We'll do that when we get home, okay? And then we might make cookies too. We have to make cookies either today or tomorrow because we have to give some to our friends before their road trip so they have road trip snacks. Okay?
I want to decorate them a bit.
No, well, we'll save some to decorate. We can just make the cookies. We'll make a whole bunch of sugar cookies and you can just decorate some now for our friends and then we'll save some that you can decorate with Bill. Okay?
Did you know who Bill is?
I don't know. Bill's our friend who's going to come visit. Our bestest friend, huh? Your bestest friend?
No, he's my uncle.
Uncle Bill, yeah. The best friend kind of uncle. Yeah. All right.
He's not really my uncle, but like, I just call him my uncle.
Yeah. That's the best kind of uncle, the ones you pick.
Yeah.
Love it. Okay. All right. Say see you later.
See you later.
My dear, the forecast ain't clear, so will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. My man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay. Now will you pull my sleigh? My boy, now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear, so will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh?
Dropped everything off at the post office and now I'm making cookies from scratch, of course. Also, I got this. Look how cute this little snowman is. Isn't he so happy? I love him. We need cookies to go in him, so making some cookies. We're gonna do sugar cookies tomorrow because I don't have any butter and I don't want to go back to the store. And these are going in. He's out there trying to start a fire and the wood wouldn't light. And now your ground is on fire also. What the hell? The wood was kicking his ass. It wouldn't light. Hi. Hi, do you want to go out there? Hey, you want to go outside? There's your boy.
Huh?
There's your boy. Yum, yum, yum. So good. The fire's already out. The ground was just on fire and now it's all out. He's trying to light it again. Okay, well now I just feel like baking. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin bread. I usually make it from scratch, but I have that from Thanksgiving when I was trying to make a whole bunch of food. It's just easier that way. I have a friend who is going with her family on a trip on Wednesday. So I want to make this so they have some more road trip snacks. So they can have like a, you know, they can have all the sugar for their like 6 or 8 hour road trip. So she can have some bread, some cookies. We're going to make sugar cookies and decorate them tomorrow. And then I believe she's leaving on Wednesday. So I'm going to make this too.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget.
This is my video for yesterday. It's 6 o'clock at night. This has been loading since like 11 o'clock this afternoon, like before noon. Like, what the hell is YouTube doing? So, if you're wondering why yesterday's video was up so late, this is why. Louie, you want your treat? Hey, come here, you want your treat?
Which day you slime too?
No, that's just
Or
hers.
that's just your slime?
Are you ready? We're behind. What's today? Today's 21. Aw.
Today's the 20th.
I know, but it's vlog day 21. There's a tree! It's a red tree! Good boy. Like you sit all nice now. You don't try to attack me. Good boy. You want another one? Let's go backwards. Let's do 20 also. Here. Hey, sit. You want to have another one? Can you shake? Shake? There's a good boy. Okay. There you go. Good boy.